Would I? This is so cool, dude.
It's all man-made.
It's like this.
There's probably snakes and spiders.
Some of the stuff you do have to say.
Don't tell Kayla there's snakes.
Tigers and bears.
There's definitely bears down here.
I wouldn't even mind it.
Dude, this is cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Whoa, look to the left. That's cool over there. Dude. It says one way. It probably is a nice big loop, I would bet.
What do you think, Ken?
Let's see you going.
John? What?
I don't want to hold this. Look at that bridge.
Imagine this being in your backyard. Nina, imagine this in your backyard and you just have tiki torches on there and you have a thing. I know.
Whoa, this looks so cool. Look how cool this walkway is.
I know.
It's so exotic looking.
John, imagine this with like tiki torches and you just go to a party.
I want to take a artsy photo.
Artsy photo.
Oh, there's minnows.
Try cannonball now.
Yeah.
Here's the stick. Yeah, you'd probably get broke.
For sure. You get like impaled by like a stick.
You'd have to take it in your house, dude. I know, they're coming forever.
Good ass song. I'm just free running. By the way, be quiet real quick while we walk through this in the darkness. I can hear it. That's cool. What about Lower Falls?
You've been here?
No.
Mike D's been here.
Yeah, I'm glad going back. I forget it was cold enough.
This is honestly so
We have to walk a mile?
It's 2.5 miles.
It's gonna take so long.
Yeah.
Do we want to do this?
They are gonna leave after.
Yeah, we might as well.